Happy Friday, Central Coast. Let's take a look at your extended KSBY microclimate forecast. Take a look at this beautiful live shot of Pismo Beach. All thanks to 805 webcams. Temperatures right now in Pismo Beach are 59 degrees, and we are seeing winds moving from the west at around 6 miles per hour. And you can see we're seeing a lot of marine layer clouds out by the coast as onshore flow is increasing. So it's bringing a lot of that cooler air from the ocean into communities near the coast, and it's starting to cool many areas down, even in the interior. You can see right here, daytime highs haven't reached triple-digit heat numbers at impassables for today. We did see that yesterday, which was pretty awesome. I love warm weather, but temperatures in Santa Barbara reached 69 degrees today, 78 in San Luis Obispo. Current temperatures right now are dropping into the upper 90s in California Valley. It was triple digits within the last couple of hours. 96 in Coyama, 70 in San Luis Obispo, and it's already starting to cool down for communities in the South Coast. The reason why we're seeing warm temperatures is due to high pressure building into Southern California and the Central Coast. So that's going to stay in place for the next several days, which is why the interior still going to see pretty warm conditions through the remainder of this weekend. But as I mentioned, onshore flow is increasing, so it's bringing a lot of that cooler air from the ocean into the Central Coast and other areas in the region. But we're still expecting to see a lot of low clouds hugging a lot of communities near the coast, so it's still expected to be quite cloudy. However, with onshore flow in place, we saw gusty conditions out in the interior today, so wind gusts are a little over 20 miles per hour right now in Shandon, California Valley, and in Cuyama. Wind gusts are expected to settle down during the overnight hours on Saturday, but you can see onshore flow increasing by tomorrow afternoon. Wind gusts reaching near or close to 30 miles per hour in California Valley, Paso Robles, and 23 in Shandon during the afternoon hours into the early evening. But we're still expecting to see that sea breeze near the coast. However, in terms of night to morning low clouds and fog, that's going to be the case tonight, as we are going to see those clouds moving into some of our north coast beaches or coastal valleys, such as San Luis Obispo, Santa Maria, and the Lompoc Valley. We're still going to see quite a cloudy start for communities down along the south coast, even some of our coastal areas such as Cambria, San Luis Obispo, and Santa Maria. But we're still expecting to see some sunshine during the afternoon and for most of the day on Saturday. Again, for areas away from the coast, daytime highs in Paso Robles will reach 92 degrees on Saturday. If you live further inland, remember to drink plenty of water. Try to stay in the shade as much as you can and try to limit your sun exposure. Temperatures are going to be a lot cooler out on our north coast beaches. So if you're looking to beat the heat, that's where you want to go, even in communities in the 5 cities, as daytime highs in Pismo Beach will reach 58 degrees, 90 in Shandon, 92 in California Valley. It's still going to be a lot warmer in the Solvang Valley, as temperatures will be reaching the mid-70s, 78 in Santa Ynez. A lot cooler in Carpinteria with daytime highs at 65 degrees. If you're heading out of the Central Coast this weekend, it's going to be quite hot out in Northern California, 97 degrees in Sacramento, triple-digit heat in my favorite town of Palm Springs, 110, 78 in Los Angeles, 75 down in San Diego. Here's a look at your 7-day community cast. Temperatures are still expected to be quite warm, as high pressure will be impacting the interior communities this weekend, but expect night to morning low clouds and fog for our coastal areas from now through Sunday.